Let's see how the array can be used with the string. Let's create a new Java class, giving a class name array string demo, creating a main method over here, public static void main. Okay, let's create a string. So here I'm just creating a string object like this, that a string str is equal to new string. Okay, and if you go through the string documentation, let me just put the parenthesis, and just I'm doing holding a control button and clicking on this string. Okay, so it will open the documentation of the string over here, right? So here you can see this is the documentation of the string class in Java, right? And let's go to the constructor. So one of the constructors says that I can specify the character array inside the argument as of a string. Okay, don't worry about the constructor right now for a moment. So what I mean to say that here, suppose assume that we have a character array like this, that ch array. Okay, and let me initialize it. uh, Here suppose if I'm providing characters, let's say S T R. So here I'm trying to provide the vectors like S, T, R, I, and G. Okay, and unfortunately it is giving me error that these are the not valid characters of Java. Okay, so let me change that here. This should be, oh, yeah, now everything is okay. Okay, so here this is the character array, and what I can do while creating a string, either I can provide that string directly over here like this, that string, or if I already have the character array, then what I can do, I can specify character array over here like this. Okay? And now if I will try to print this system.out.println, the string is str. Okay, let's see the output. You can see the output is a string. So what does it mean? That I can, if I can have, I have the array of character, and if I pass as a string to create a new string object, obviously that I will able to do that. Right? Let's see few other methods of the string which are related to the array. Okay, so here I have opened the documentation of the string, right? And here you can see that even I can specify the byte array also. Okay, so let me show you how we can do this. So let's go back to the IDE, and then let me declare the byte array. Byte array. Okay, and here let me initialize with the value 5, 66, 67, 68. Okay. Then let's create a new string. Okay, so string str2 equal to new string, and here the argument would be byte array. Okay, and let me print this. So that's how the string of byte is str2. Okay, let's run the application and let's see the output. So here you can see I'm getting the output as I have specified the character code of capital A, capital B, capital C, and capital D over here. Right? So this would be that whatever integer value or the byte value that I'm going to specify as a part of array, that would be converted into its equivalent character. Okay, so that is what we have done over here. Now, let's see that. Do we have any method that returns the character or array, normal array from the given string? Let's consider that this is a string. So string, my string is equal to this is a string. Okay, suppose if I want to convert this whole string into the character array, right? Do I have any method? Let's check. So let's declare that character. Okay, character array 2 is equal to my string dot to character array is the method name. Okay, so what this will do, this will convert that whole string into the character array. Sorry, there is a mistake. There should be square bracket. Okay, so here you can see this is the character array that we have. Okay, and now if I will print it, okay, so I must have to use the for loop, or I can go with the for each loop. This is the variation of that for loop. Okay, so let me demonstrate that for each loop over here, that for each this one. Okay, this, for each just a minute, for, okay, here that I must have to specify that what is the destination type. The destination type is character C. Okay, and from where the value is going to come, the values are going to come, that is a character array. So what is the meaning over here? That this is exactly same as the for loop that we have, but here what is happening, that it will take the one by one character from this character array into this variable. Okay, and here inside this curly braces I can do whatever I want. Okay, I just want to print it. Okay, so what I'm going to write as out. Okay, that is system.out.print. Inside that I'm going to just print the character which I'm going to get from the character 2. Okay, so here I'm going to have that this is a string that is going to be printed. Okay, let me show you. Let me run this, and here you can see we are getting that this is a string. One more thing that I want to show you, that the split method of the string class we had seen earlier. Okay, so assume that we have one more string which is comma separated, like CSV string. Okay, is equal to, let's say, names are, let's assume that there are some names like Park is there, Joy is there, Annie is there, okay, Ted is there. Okay, so assume that we have this comma separated string with us. Okay, now I want to get the individual names from this string. Okay, what I can do, I can use the split method, right? Okay, so what I'll be doing that uh, let's take the string array like this, string names, okay, is equal to, here the method would be csv string dot, sorry, the reference would be csv string dot split, and here the split character would be what, comma, right? So what this will do, it will separate out the individual name, right, that delimited with the comma, right, and put the individual name one by one into the this string array. Okay, so here let me show you that. Let me use again that for each loop. Okay, and this time it could be used like this, the string name, because the type is what, type string. Here the type was character, that's why I have taken that character over here, right? Okay, so string name, from where the names are going to come, so names array, right? Here that we are going to print it, all the name, that is one, using the system.out.println. Okay, so name. Okay, let me run the application and let's see the output. So here you can see the names are Path, Joy, and Cat. Okay, I'm getting this path on the same line because that here I must have to write a new line character, that is system.out.println, and let me run this. Now path would be on a separate line. Path, Joy, and Cat. I hope this is clear to all of you. That's it for this video.